Welcome to DermWire News, powered by DermWire.com. DermWire News for Smart Speaker is made possible with advertising support from Ortho Dermatologics. I'm Stephanie Talea with Practical Dermatology magazine. The European Commission has approved Xeljanz tofacitinib citrate 5 mg twice daily in combination with methotrexate for the treatment of active psoriatic arthritis in adult patients who have had an inadequate response or who have been intolerant to a prior disease-modifying antirheumatic drug therapy. Xeljanz is the only oral JAK inhibitor to be approved in the European Union for the treatment of adults with active PsA. The EC approval was based on a submission package that included data from the Phase 3 Oral Psoriatic Arthritis Trials, or OPAL, clinical development program in PsA, which consisted of 2 pivotal studies, OPAL Broaden and OPAL Beyond, as well as available data from an ongoing long-term extension trial, OPAL Balance. Through its ongoing partnership with nonprofit sponsor and donor Impact Melanoma and sunscreen provider Coppertone, BrightGuard has installed 134 sunscreen dispensers throughout New York City public pools and beaches. BrightGuard, the first automated sunscreen dispenser company offering free, high-quality SPF 30 sunscreen, is providing this to the city for the second consecutive year at no cost to the city or its residents. Impact Melanoma and Coppertone are incredible partners in this fight against skin cancer, says BrightGuard co-founder Ryan Warren. This incredible collaboration has enabled us to provide free and accessible sunscreen to help reduce the risks of sun exposure throughout the city. Ultimately, our aim is to increase awareness of sun safety and encourage people everywhere to protect themselves from the sun's harmful UV rays. BrightGuard dispensers now have been installed at 53 public pools and 11 beaches in various locations throughout Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island. BrightGuard's 2 co-founders were inspired to create the unique touch-free public sunscreen dispenser company after a friend was diagnosed with melanoma at a young age. Its dispensers are currently found in various schools, parks, sports arenas, and other public places across the country. The initiative was co-sponsored by Impact Melanoma, a national nonprofit organization dedicated to education, prevention, and taking action in the fight against skin cancer. Committed to skin cancer prevention and early detection, Impact Melanoma provides a variety of award-winning programs which aim to raise awareness and educate the public about skin cancer, as well as support services for those struggling with the disease. Its offerings include support groups, educational programs, and patient advocacy. Co-sponsor of the initiative, Coppertone, provided Coppertone Sport Sunscreen. Coppertone, a leader in sun protection for more than 40 years, is dedicated to inspiring kids and families to adopt healthy, sun-safe behaviors while enjoying their time outdoors. Sunscreen application should be a family activity. Parents modeling sun care habits early on can create a lasting impression for their children. That's why Coppertone partnered with BrightGuard to bring sunscreen that stays on strong through heat, sweat, and water to stop 95% of damaging UV rays, SPF 30 or higher, to families across the country. In addition to producing the hardware and spearheading the collaboration, the BrightGuard team will work with New York City Parks leadership to maintain the dispensers, including regular and frequent visits to ensure the dispensers are filled with plenty of Coppertone sunscreen. Dispensers will be up and running at the designated areas through September 9th. Each of the partners involved in this New York City initiative supports a shared mission of ensuring people everywhere can enjoy their time outdoors while protecting their skin from the harmful rays of the sun, said Alex Beck, co-founder of BrightGuard, who spearheaded the collaboration. We are proud of the great success of this project and look forward to many others like it as we continue to expand and grow. Thank you for listening to DermWire News, powered by DermWire.com. This editorially independent program is supported with advertising from Ortho Dermatologics.